All right, we'll start in a seated position. So if you have a block you want to sit on, or if you want to kneel or sit cross-legged, create a seat that feels comfortable and your spine is generally up and down. Shrug your shoulders up by your ears. Take a deep breath in. Take your shoulders back, roll them down, breathe out. Roll them forward and up, breathe in. Take them back and down, breathe out. Do the opposite. Take the shoulders back and up, inhale. Forward and down on your exhale. If you need to move slower or faster than I'm cueing, please do. Take your arms overhead, big breath in. Roll out the wrists overhead. And grab onto one of your wrists, doesn't matter which one. Stretch up and over to the side. Back to center, breathe in. Grab the other wrist, stretch up and over to the other side. Back to center, breathe in. Gentle twist to either side. Take one breath in here. Twist a little further, breathe out. Come back to center, reach your arms overhead. Inhale. And twist to the other side. One breath in here. Twist a little deeper, breathe out. Stretch your arms back overhead. Inhale. Spirit fingers, wiggle your fingers, and then give yourself a high five. And draw hands into heart center. You can either keep your hands in Anjali Mudra, hands at heart center, or rest one palm on top of the other against your sternum, your choice. Let your eyes drift closed or look at a spot on the floor. Notice. Notice how you're feeling physically. If you could label it, like give a word, a descriptive word. It could be my legs feel numb, or they could feel open. Could notice what's happening in the abdomen and chest. Right now, my chest feels fill in the blank. Or my abdomen, how does it feel? Check in with your neck, your jaw, your head. How do they feel physically? And you can either keep your hands on your chest or let your hands rest on your lap. And you'll take a deep breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Check in with yourself mentally. Not emotionally just yet, just mentally. How is the brain? Does the brain feel clear? Does it feel foggy? Does it feel focused? The word. And take another breath in. Open mouth, empty out. Check in with yourself emotionally. How are you feeling emotionally? Happy, sad, excited, anxious. So many feelings to choose from. And also notice if your ego has something to say about how you're feeling physically, mentally, or emotionally. You can let it say whatever it needs to say. And imagine what it's saying, like clouds. You can put the things that your ego has to say about how you're feeling on a cloud and let it float on by. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, you can blink your eyes open.